most of you guys already know what I'm actually talking about. Do you understand? Some of you will say you use 3 inches to do it. You used 4 inches for your sleeve cap height, which is also known as the bicep length. Some of you will say you use 6 inches without knowing why you are using it. Do you understand? Hello guys, this is the perfect dress cutting guide. As you can see, I am Nwoka Chukwuebuka. Yes, the author of the Perfect Dress Cutting Guide and the CEO of C Fashion Academy, also known as C Trend Fashion Empire, located in Port Harcourt. So this particular book was launched last year, 28th of August 2023. And since then, we have sold a lot. So we have this book both in Amazon, both on sellers, and we have also done physical sales. So in this particular program, which is named Tailoring Algorithm. Now, why do I name it Tailoring Algorithm? This is because normally algorithm is a set of instructions which we use to solve problem, a step-by-step set of instructions. And in this particular book, the Perfect Dress Cutting Guide, the instructions in this particular book, they are step-by-step, like they are arranged step by step, and they must surely solve your problem as a tailor. So this is the reason why we termed it Tailoring Algorithm, because they solve tailor's problem. There's no way it's not going to be solving your problem. So in order to show you this actually works, that's why we are having this particular program, the Tailoring Algorithm. So this is the episode 1. In this episode 1, we are going to be randomly picking a particular topic or maybe a subtopic. We are going to be dealing with this particular topic. So like I said, we are working on a sleeve. So the subtopic that we are going to be working on a sleeve is what we call the sleeve cap height. Please, I want to let you know something. It is not everybody that knows about this particular name, sleeve cap height. Do you understand? Some of us learned our tailoring in places that they don't use terms that we actually know. So the truth is that most of you will actually know what I'm talking about. Another name that I'll probably call the sleeve cap height is also the bicep length. Do you understand? So I'm going to be showing us everything. I'm going to be talking about it, and this is episode 1. So in the other episodes, we are going to be talking about other things more and more. Thanks, and may God bless you. So let's talk about the sleeve cap height. First of all, we're going to be looking at the definition of sleeve cap height. Okay, so look at the definition of sleeve cap height. Okay, so look at it here. Are you saying it? So let's simply define it. After this definition, I'm going to also physically showing us what a sleeve cap height is. Now look at it. This is the distance from the shoulder tip to the underarm line. Simple. So let me physically show us what a sleeve cap height is. Okay, so now look at it. Let's say this is a sleeve. Are you saying it? Let's say you guys know about this particular sleeve. So the sleeve cap height in question is this. Now look at it. From this tip of the sleeve, are you saying it? Or you can say tip of the shoulder down to this point. Most of you guys already know what I'm actually talking about. Do you understand? Some of you will say you use 3 inches to do it. You used 4 inches for your sleeve cap height, which is also known as the bicep length. Some of you will say you use 6 inches without knowing why you are using it. Do you understand? So sometimes you finish cutting your sleeve and your sleeve is not going to be exact to the armhole, or maybe your armhole is not going to be exact to the sleeve, vice versa, whichever way. So this is what we actually call the sleeve cap height. The distance from here all the way to this particular place. Hope is well understood now. So let's progress, guys. Now look at this, guys. This is a pattern paper placed. Do you understand? We have already marked the vertical measurement. Now look at this one. This is the beginning part of the vertical measurement. Are you seeing it? So this second line you are seeing here is the sleeve cap height. The distance from this B, or let's say the distance from this A to G is the sleeve cap height. We need it. It's one of the vertical measurement points we need whenever we are drafting our sleeve. Now look at this one. This one is the sleeve length. Are you seeing it? So this is the extra 2 inches allowance for the sleeve. So the next is, how do we get this sleeve cap height? What is the formula for this sleeve cap height? So let's get the formula. In order for you to draft your sleeve, we need to get the sleeve cap height. Now look at it, guys. This is the formula. Are you saying it? So in order for you to get your sleeve cap height, you need your bust or your chest circumference. Now look at the formula. The formula is the bust circumference divided by 12 plus 0.5. And in this case, the bust circumference is 36 divided by 12. Are you saying it? Plus 0.5. So at the end of the day, what we have is actually 3.5. Are you seeing it? So this is to say that the distance from here to here is what? 3.5. So if you still look at it very well from this diagram here, Let me show you guys. Okay, still look at it very well from this diagram here. Are you seeing it? Look at it very well from this diagram. You see that it has already been identified as the 3.5 as the sleeve cap height. So in order for you to get this, look at it. This is the first line. So before you get this second vertical measurement line and mark it, you must have done the calculation so that you can get it. So at the end of the day, we'll now use it and cut our sleeve. What do I mean? Now look at what I'm actually going to be doing now for you guys to understand. It is on this particular point you cut your sleeve. Are you seeing it? You cut your sleeve at the end of the day. So this is actually what we call the sleeve cap height, and it's very, very important in drafting a sleeve. I don't know whether I actually imparted you guys with a good knowledge, or maybe whether I added to your knowledge of sleeve. If I actually did that, please, I want you to make sure you like this particular video. And if you want to purchase this particular book, don't fail to comment in the comment section that you are interested. Do you understand? So I'll be able to send the link to you for you to get this particular book. In our next episode, I'm going to be treating on a particular topic that you all are going to like. So in order to follow up, make sure you click on the subscribe button and make sure you click on the notification icon so that whenever we post any video, you'll be the first to be notified. And make sure you follow this particular page or channel. Thanks, and may God bless you. See you.